Welcome back, everybody. Robert with Occupancy Boost. This is a great video. I think you're going to like this one. I'm going to show you guys how to retrieve your review link for Google. This isn't a typical link. It's something you have to generate, but what it's going to do is going to take your customers to an easy review page specifically for your property. You're going to get more reviews and you're going to get better reviews by doing this. I'm also going to show you guys how to create a QR code and how to set up a phone number in Google that you can text your review link out to customers through. That's free, easy to use, and anybody in your property can do it. Stay tuned. I'm going to switch screens and show you guys how to get all of this done, all for free. I'm doing things a little bit different in this video. I want to have myself in the bottom left-hand corner here, in the bottom corner of the video, so I can show you guys some of the things at the top that I'm going to be clicking on. Now, first of all, this is a hotel that we manage. We have access to their Google account. They added us as a manager on their Google account, so we could go in here and make updates when we first started working with the hotel, like adding pictures. And if you're an independent hotel, obviously the owners and operators have access to this Google account. If you are a branded hotel, you can get access. Your brand sometimes will share access with you, or they can just get the link that I'm about to show you how to retrieve. So the brands will do this for you because obviously they want to give you, this to send out to your customers to get more Google reviews for your property. So the way you get access to this once you're on here, I just went in. This hotel happens to be right outside of Houston, this Express Inn. So I just went in here, typed the name of the hotel in Google. I found their Google listing. And if you go up here to these 9 dots up on the top right-hand corner and click on that and click Business Profile Manager, all the Google accounts that you manage will be in that housing right there. And then you'll be able to click on the property that you want to use. Or to edit. So this property is right here, and as you can see, I have access to this property, and we can go in here and update their profile, add pictures, all kinds of things we can do. For this video, we're just going to concentrate on reviews. So in this bottom section right here, right at the bottom where all these icons are, it says Ask for Reviews. If you click on that, it's going to take you to the review page, or I'm sorry, it's going to get you take you to the page where you can get your link. And you click on that link right there, that is your review link. That's what you want to send out to customers, and that's how you want to make QR codes to get more reviews. Now, it's going to make it a lot simpler for your customers to fill this out rather than going to their Google account, trying to find your hotel, and then filling out a review. It's a big, long process. This link takes them directly to your Google review page. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, it's right here. This is what it looks like. So for this property, this is what their Google review page looks like. So you can send that link to a customer, like I said, either email or text. A lot of people like to get it through text so they can fill it out on their phone. It's just a few simple, questions about the hotel, rating it on a star level from 1 to 5. Overall, how was the property from 1 to 5 stars? Rooms, service, location, and they can even type out a summary if they want. If they don't want to do that, they don't have to. And then here at the bottom, it just asks a couple questions about what kind of trip they had, who they traveled with. They're trying to just get a little bit more information. Google's trying to get more information out of the customers so they can better advertise to these customers through Google. But as you can see, this is a really, really easy thing for people to fill out. And you're going to get a lot more people to fill this out than if they have to go onto Google and try to find, how to fill out a review for your hotel. You're giving it to them right here. You're landing them right on the page for your hotel, and it's so easy that a lot of people are going to do this for you. So if people had a good stay at your hotel and you want to improve your Google review score, this is the way to do it. You click on that link. Now, if you want to advertise this to people, obviously you got to give this link to them. And as you can see, that link, when I showed you how you generate that link, it's pretty long. It's not an easy one for people to remember, obviously. So you're going to click on that, you're going to text it, or you're going to email it out to them. A lot of hotels, what they'll do is they'll build a QR code. And the place that you want to do QR codes is right here in Canva, C-A-N-V-A. This is a free software to use. It's online. You can create flyers on here. You can create videos on here. Canva, if you don't know anything about it, it's a great tool to use to design different things for your property. You can design social media posts for your property. But, you know, we're using this basically for all the QR codes. And we actually designed this flyer right here for one of our Motel 6 our Studio 6 properties here in Houston. We designed this flyer for in Canva, and we built the QR codes in Canva. And if you just go into this left-hand column here and you click on Elements and you go QR code, you can use Canva to build your QR code. You just use that link that I gave you, and this, like I said, this is how we designed this flyer right here, was by building the QR code and designing the flyer, just uploading these photos to Canva and designing this whole flyer. Now, the hotel uses this at their front desk. So you can hand this out to customers. They put it on some of their cards too. They hand a little business size card, you know, piece of paper out to the guest with their QR code on there, and they ask them to fill out a review. The other thing you can do too that I don't think many people take advantage of, if you go over to these 9 dots right here and you scroll down, go through all these apps and scroll down to the bottom where it says voice, you can actually set up a Google phone number to use to text to customers. It's going to be a phone number. You can choose, most of the time you can choose the digits that you want it to represent. But you can tell your customers after they check out that they look forward to getting a text message from Google about filling out a review. And then you can take that link. Let me show you a little bit more of what this looks like. You can take, because I have a Google phone number for this account, you can take that link and you can just send a text message. If you have that customer's phone number, you type it in here in this top right-hand column here, and you just send it out like a text message to the customer, and it goes directly to them, so you don't have to worry about using somebody's phone to do it. Obviously, you could use a phone if you wanted to, but I think most properties want to kind of keep, you know, cell phones confidential between, you know, owners and that type of thing. So this is a way to get a generic phone number, and you can have your front desk actually use a phone number for the hotel to text these out, the front desk staff. So, you know, a couple good things here I showed you guys was, first of all, how to get your Google review link. Second of all, you know, how to create what to do with that Google review link once you get it, and, you know, create a QR code for customers to scan it at your property. Or obviously, like I just showed you here with the Google Voice, is you can use your Google Voice phone number that you set up to text that review link out to customers. So this is a great way to build extra reviews for your customers, and you can also pick and choose which customers, obviously, that you want to send these to. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, as always, you can comment on the video, and I'd be happy to get back to you with any questions you have. See you in the next video. Thanks.